First lesson is number system. In this chapter we are going to study about decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system and computer arithmetics. So let's start. In the earlier times, when there were no means of counting, people used to count with the help of fingers, stones, pebbles, sticks, etc. It means when in the ancient time we do not have computers, so we use fingers, stones and the other things to count some things. But these methods were not adequate and had many limitations, because if we want to count the large numbers, these methods won't be applicable to them. So to overcome these limitations, many number systems were introduced with the passage of time, like decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system and hexadecimal number system. So before moving forward, we need to know that what is number system. So let's start. A number system is set of values used to represent different quantities. Here different quantities means the number which we are going to count. For example, the number of students in a classroom or the number of viewers watching a particular show. We use the decimal number system in our day-to-day life, whereas a computer represents all the kinds of data and information, text, numbers, graphics, etc. in the binary number system. It means we humans use decimal number system because all the 10 numbers from 0 to 9 comes under the decimal number system. But the computer uses binary number system because computer only understands the language of 0 and 1. So what it does changes the text, numbers and graphics into its machine readable form, that is in the form of 0 and 1, then converted it into the human readable form so that we can understand what is the output. The total number of digits used in a number system is called its base or radix. As I have told earlier, in the decimal number system we use 10 digits. So it means its base is 10. And in the binary number system we use 2 digits, 0 and 1. So its base is 2. So that what it means, the total number of digits used in the number system is its base or radix. The base is written after the number as a subscript. For example, 15 base 10. Here that base is 10. So we can conclude that this number is from the decimal number system. Let's take one more example, that is 2, 5, 7 and its base is 10. These numbers 2, 5 and 7 and comes under the range of 0 to 9 and its base is 10. So we can conclude that this number is from decimal number system. Let's take an example of binary number system, that is 0, 1 and its base is 2. We can conclude here that this number is from the binary number system because 2 digits are there and its base is 2. Let's take one more example, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1 and its base is 2. So here 2 digits we are using and the base 2 is there. So we can conclude here that only 2 digits are using it and the base is 2. So we can say that it is from the binary number system. First number system we are going to study is decimal number system. Let's start. The need for counting paved the way to introduce the decimal number system in which 0 to 9 are used to form any number. Here what is saying that why we are using the decimal number system, because from 0 to 9 numbers we can form any another number. Most of our arithmetic operations are performed with decimal numbers. Many of our arithmetic operations can be performed with the help of 0 to 9. Decimal number system consists of 10 digits, that is 0 to 9 with the base 10, because here 10 numbers we are using, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 numbers are there, so its base is 10. Each number can be used individually or they can be grouped to form a numeric value. For example, 82, minus 256, 52.87, etc. They can be comes under single like this and also in the group. The value of each digit in a number depends upon the following. What its value? What is the value of this number? Can be depends upon these three things. What is the first is the face value of the digit. That what its number is. What is the number? 9. The base of the number system. What is the base of the number system? Here the base is 10. The position of the digit in the number. What is the position of the 9? Here the position is ones. So if we are come in the group, then according to that its position decides. Each position represents a specific power of base 10. Each position in a number, if it is in the group, then it is decided by the specific power of base 10. The rightmost digit of a number is called the least significant digit, whereas the leftmost digit is called the most significant digit. For example, the number 547 can be represented it in the following way. 47. Here the 7 is represented by the 7 into 10 raised to power 0. That is 0 is the power of 10. 4 is represented by 4 into 10 raised to power 1. That is 1 is the power of 10. And 5 is represented by 5 into 10 raised to power 2. That is 2 is the power of 10. Here we can also study it in the better form on this paper. Like for example, we have 4, 5, 4, 7. 7 is at the units place. So it can be represented as 7 into 10 raised to power 0. Plus 4 is at the tens place. So 4 into 10 raised to power 1. And 5 is at the 100 place. 5 into 10 raised to power 2. Now we have to calculate it like 500. That is 5 into 100, 500 plus 4 into 10 because 10 raised to power is 10 only. Then 4 into 10 is 40. 10 raised to power 0 is 1. So 7 into 1 is 7. Now calculate it. 500 plus 40 plus 7 is equal to 547. So we can also write this like 547 base 10. Also we can say that this number or this number is in the decimal number system. What we have observed from this, we can study from here. What is the observation? The positional value of each digit increases tenfolds as we move from right to left. As we have already seen here that the positional value of each digit is decided when we are moving from right to left. Here in the above mentioned example, 5, 4 and 7 are the face values and their place values are 100, tens and units respectively. The place value of a digit depends upon its position in the number. Now we have discussed the decimal number system which we are using, and now we will discuss the various types of number system that are used in a computer. So here the first number system which computer will be used, it's the binary number system. The binary number system consists of only two digits, that is 0 and 1. Since this system uses two digits, so its base is 2. All the digital computers use this number system and convert the input data from the decimal format into the binary equivalent. As I've already told you that when we put input into the computer into any another form like text or graphics, what computer does? Computer convert it into the binary equivalent form, that is the machine readable form, and gives us the output into the human readable form. Why binary? Why computer only understands the binary language? A computer cannot understand the human language. Rather, it understands only the binary code. Therefore, the data that is entered into the computer is converted into binary equivalent. That's why we convert all the data into the binary equivalent. Then computer convert it into the human readable form. It further converts the binary results into the decimal equivalent to generate an output. So that's why we use the binary for the computers.